Hey guys, just a quick video. I just received my Ford Racing intake manifold for my 4.62 valve 2004 Mustang to replace a Dorman that was just replaced by the previous owner but is already leaking antifreeze. And so I'm replacing it with a Ford one. I was told by a mechanic friend of mine a good thing to do before you install it is to use non-hardening sealer. I use 3-Bond 1184. Permatex makes it. It's just a non-hardening sealer, and you just basically run it around. You can see where the O-ring is. Run around the outside edge of both these O-rings. It's just a secondary kind of seal there. There's a kind of raised lip there also, so everything's going to squeeze out. Very thin. Don't over tighten the bolts, but this is just a secondary kind of deal, so you don't get leaks after a while. So that's that for that one. Little mechanic's hint. See ya.